XTM Cloud rolls out a pilot for AI-enhanced translation memory matches, powered by our partner, Systran. High-quality matches come from the synergy of high-fuzzy matches from XTM Cloud translation memory and Systran machine translation. And the good news is, you don't need to spend countless hours on MT training to obtain high-quality matches. The right technology partner puts you in control of your projects and puts you in control of your costs. The more edits you need to produce a final translation, the higher the project costs. XTM Cloud shows you project costs before and after edit distance is applied. You have more flexibility with edit distance as it can be enabled for any workflow step.